2, 1, go! Good afternoon, everyone. We are on our way to Disney property. I want to say, just we're not going to Magic Kingdom. We're not going to Epcot.
Nope.
But we are going to Hollywood Studios and Animal Kingdom.
Amber wants to go and get the latest pass holder magnet.
Yes.
And so it's kind of like, good to see you later. And obviously the main plan, which I made for once, the first time I've ever done it,
Yeah.
I actually went on the app and I made the fast passes and all that. And obviously I'm not very good at it, but I made it where if I was to plan a day at Disney, I'd put my fast passes really, what?
Disney people.
Good for them. Good for them.
Sorry.
We just passed them. We're getting there first.
I saw the ears.
No, starting with
So-
I got to break in this bad boy right here.
Yeah, I know. I'm excited about the shirt that you just got.
Tailspin represent.
Yeah.
You know, I'm an 80s child, so that was one of my jams.
Yeah.
And it was cool that I found this shirt and I get to sport it today. You love that one.
I like Jasmine.
Yeah.
She's not my favorite princess because my favorite princess is the Little Mermaid because I love the water.
I made my fast pass. The way I did it was I made one basically when we're trying to get there, and then I didn't make another one for another few hours. So I gave us plenty of time to walk around and kind of do what we want, because there's plenty to do in that park that's not riding something.
Yeah, I like just walking around and looking at the animals.
Because there's a few parks. I would say 2 out of the 4 parks you can just walk around. Even if you don't like rides, you can just walk around. You can just Epcot definitely,
Yeah.
and Animal Kingdom.
Animal Kingdom.
If you don't like rides, those are the 2 parks, because you can walk around, you can make a day of it. I mean, they got their shows and stuff like that. But even if you don't want to do that and you don't want to wait in line, you just want to see the animals and you just want to walk around and see Pandora. I mean, Pandora you can walk in without waiting in line, and it's just pretty neat what they got going on all around there.
I kind of want to eat in Pandora. They have food with the little balls in them. But there's like little pods and all kinds of fun stuff.
Well, we did make 3 fast passes. Well, we get the River Rapids.
Yes.
We got the safari ride, but
Yes.
I made the safari ride at 8 o'clock at night,
8
so
o'clock.
it's like right when it's getting dark. We've never seen it
Yes.
that dark, so
Yeah.
that'd be different.
Yeah.
And then our last fast pass is like a front row seat to their
Yeah, to the show. It's
To the
just
last-
it's
the closing
viewing.
show
Yeah,
thing.
it's the best viewing area in the park.
and that's pretty late now. See you in the park.
Yeah. Donald! We got the magnets. So excited. Right, Darren? Are you so excited? Here, you take that.
You drive.
All right, here is Donald's Dino Bash. I'm excited to see this area. It's pretty cool. We'll see what we find in there. Hey, look! It's Donald! Oh, he's giving her a kiss.
Very close to my heart.
DuckTales! Woo! Okay, so we are about to go on Jolly River Rapids. We're hoping we're not going to get super wet, but we'll see. We've never been on
Really
it.
hot, so
Yeah, who cares?
probably wouldn't be too bad.
It'd be nice. Oh, going up.
They're going backwards.
Not really.
I really got wet.
My kneecap is soaking wet right now.
Your
guys.
kneecap is
Yeah, it's soaking wet.
crazy.
Sit on it.
It is a little bit. It's good and hot though.
Yeah.
I just went like it.
Oh,
All right. It's gonna be a drop here.
oh no.
And we're gonna go back.
I get stuck.
Are you soaked?
That's all we have to do because we're
Me
Not
neither.
really.
I'm not
My legs are
so done.
a
That
little bit.
felt good, if anything. I don't think there's anything else.
I like the jet. That was fun. Other than that,
That drop takes us out. Like I thought we were going
I know.
backwards,
I
and then
know.
it turned at the last second.
That was crazy. I think that was it.
Not a crazy drop, but
My husband would be the one to find 2 old lady friends to sit with at Animal Kingdom. I mean, I don't know why he would decide to come and sit with them, but hey,
hey,
what are you doing?
just hanging out.
Okay, you want to go do
They're
a
about
bus stop?
to start playing here. I want to be that guy that just blows the whistle in the band.
Yeah.
Reminds me of Mario Kart.
I got my cheeseburger pod. It's pretty good. Oh my goodness. It's only like 8 o'clock.
It's not rope drop.
It's not rope drop. I guess there's no more Festival of the Lion King going on or something.
It's closed.
That was it. That was our day at Animal Kingdom. Super fun. Now we're so tired. We're so tired and we need to go to bed. Yeah.
That's
This
my bed.
Very empty parking lot. And good night.